College, Autonomous, Erode. The topic was network analysis. Introduction. Network analysis is one of the important tools for project management. Whether major or minor, a project has been completed in a definite time and its definite cost. The necessary information of any particular data can be represented as a project network. These techniques are very useful for planning, scheduling, and executing large time bounded projects involving careful coordination of a variety of complex and interrelated activities. Objectives of network analysis: helpful in planning, interrelationship of various activities, cost control, minimize of the maintenance time, reduce of time, control on ideal resource, avoiding delays in preparations. Applications of network analysis: planning, scheduling, monitoring, and control of large and complex projects, constructions of factories, highways, buildings, bridges, cinemas, etc. Helpful to Army for its missile developments. Assembly line scheduling, installation of computers and high-tech machineries to make marketing strategies. Classification of activities: procedures, activities that must be completed immediately prior to the start of another activities are called procedures activities. Successor activities: activities that cannot be started until one or more of the other activities are completed but immediately succeed them are called the successor activities. Concurrent activities: activities that can be accomplished together are known as concurrent activities. Dummy activities: an activity which does not consume any resource but merely deplete and depends of one activity on other is called dummy activities. Event: the beginning and end of activities are called as events. Events are represented by a number circled called as nodes. Types of events: merged event, breasted events, merge and breasted events. Path on network: an unbroken chain of an activity, arrows connecting the initial event to some other events is called a path. A network is the graphical representation of a logically and sequentially connected arrows and nodes representing activities and events of the project. It is a diagram depicting different relationships between different activities. Rules for network construction: a complete network diagram should have one standpoint and one finish point. The flow of the diagram should be from left to right. Arrows should not be crossed unless it's completely unavoidable. Arrows should keep straight and not curved or bent. Angle between arrow should as large as possible. Each activity must have a tail and a head event. Once the diagram is completed, note should be numbered from left to right. Limitation of PERT or CPM. Network diagram should have clear starting and ending points, which are independent of each other, which may not be possible in real life. Another limitation is that it assumes that the managers should focus on critical activities. Resources will be available when needed for completion for an activity is again unreal. Example, draw the network, given activities and procedure activities. Critical path. The critical path is the largest path in the network from the starting event to ending event and defines the minimum time required to complete the project. The critical path is denoted by darker or double lines. Critical event. The slag of an event is the difference between latest and earliest event time. Free float. Free float is total float minus eddy event slag. Independent float. Independent float is free float minus tail event slag. This is more than the time required to complete the activity. Three are types of floats. Questions. Find the independent float, free float, total float. The critical path of the given questions 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6 are ADG not equal to T0 plus 4 Tm plus Tp divided by 6. The given tables gives solutions for the total float, free float and independent float. Questions. The given table shows an activities of a project, duration, days. The standard deviation is 3.3. Probability for completing the job in 41 days is that equal to due date minus expected date of completion divided by standard deviation of a critical path, that is 41 minus 36 divided by 3.30 equal to 1.5. The tabulated value of corresponding calculated value is 1.151 is 0.4345. So the probability is 5 plus 0.4345 equal to 0.935, that is 93%.45. Project will be completed in 41 days.